viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn why accounting is called an information system. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So let's get started. Why accounting is called an information system. The accounting information system gathers and manages transaction data, and provides decision makers with financial information. It includes every phase of the accounting cycle. It also contains the documents that include evidence of the transactions, and the corresponding records, trial balances, worksheets and financial statements. Why accounting is called an information system. Today's short video will help you understand why we call accounting an information system. Once a company begins its business operations, it includes several parties. For example, owners, investors, employees, debtors, creditors, lenders, banks, government, etc. Everybody wants to know about the organization's financial situation so they can make decisions on matters of their interest. And they make their decision after obtaining the necessary information about the organization. For example, before investing in an organization, an investor makes his investment decision by considering the profit or loss of the organization and the amount of profit on the investment. Before granting a loan, a lender decides to give a loan considering the financial condition of the organization, such as assets and liabilities, profit loss, etc. Employees of the organization make decisions about issues that concern their interests, considering how the organization is doing and how it will do in the future. The creditors always want to ensure that the recipients are in a financial state of repaying the due amount before allowing credit sales. While running the organization, the management authority has to make countless decisions on various issues. Examples include product pricing, cost control, new investment, borrowing, etc., and it takes a lot of information to make all those decisions. The government of a country relies on the financial information of the organization to collect the amount of revenue from the organization. Necessary information is needed behind every decision making. For example, what is the profit or loss of the organization? What is the amount of property and liability? Accounting provides all the information about how the organization is going, how it will do in the future, etc. by preparing financial statements for the users concerned according to their needs. That is why accounting is called the information system. I hope at the end of the video you have learned why accounting is called an information system. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. For more, please visit our official website, www.everythingaboutakcounting.info. Thanks for watching.